tryna be crack. She wanna be cutty. That bitch is a baby. I'ma fuck the house, not the pound.
What's good, y'all? It's your boy BrandonTooFlashy coming to another video. And today, man, as y'all see by the title, bro, I got the review on these Nike React Prestos, man. This is a really slept on shoe. I haven't really seen many people talking about this on YouTube or in like, just like sneaker world. It features a green cage on both sides of the shoe, and that's really the only green that's on there. The laces are blue with like red lace lock tips and like red little dots along them. For the bottom here, we have, the bottom is just all white with a little black on the bottom part of it. And then on this side, of course, the green cage, again, blue laces. There's the brown on the back. And then if you look inside of the shoe, there's a piece of like toast, and the face is like an egg, and like he's holding a green spoon. You know, I think it's a dope shoe, especially with like pants. A lot of people might see them and think that they like don't like them, but like when you actually see them with pants and you can think of an outfit with them, like I'm about to show y'all, I think I can really change y'all's opinion. These is a really nice shoe. Comfortability wise, this is probably one of the most comfortable shoes that I have worn. I've only worn them one time just to like walk around, and they're really comfortable. Yeah. I would say I ordered mine. I wore an 11.5, but I was gonna order an 11 because I heard you're supposed to go a half size down, but they didn't have the 11. So I got a 10.5, so I went a whole size down, and it's not bad. Like they fit okay. I mean, I wouldn't say that it like hurts, but it's not like fit good like for it to be a whole size down. So I would recommend at least going a half size down. But again, for comfortability, I do say this is a great shoe. Again, I only got these for $80. They think they retail for $140. I had the coupon code on Nike. I got them for $80. So if y'all are watching this, y'all go check y'all out a pair for $80 and send me a picture if you got it, I guess. But yeah, man, I'm about to show you guys some on feeds. Thank you guys for watching this video. Again, if you guys did like it, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm about to show y'all different pants and shorts to like maybe try to give y'all some on feet feel for the shoe. But again, this is BrandonTooFlashy. I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out. Gang. Peace.